Hi everyone and welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Monday the 22nd of February with me, which Pro Market Analyst at Antec Markets. Let's look at gold. And just before I get into this gold chart, I'm going to just quickly flip to the silver chart, because just look at that chart very quickly and then compare that to silver. Silver has broken down. Silver has broken down below the 38.2% fib level and also the support of the reaction lows. That completes as the top pattern, head and shoulders top in fact. So does that mean that gold is also going to be following suit? We haven't seen the gold chart in so much of a formation as that, and the support above 1180 has come in 1190 as the key reaction low. So 1190 is your key near-term low. But we haven't seen that following on through below the 38.2% fib level yet. Now the big uptrend on the RSI momentum is breaking down today. You're also seeing the MACD lines coming together, possibly crossing lower. So the positive and bullish technical arguments that we've had that saw us rally back up towards 1240 have just fallen away. 1200 big figure is being tested now. Now that is a near-term low. Came in as a reaction low on Thursday last week, above 1195 and above 1190. So these levels are now under threat and under test. You've seen these momentum indicators rolling over. You're seeing the RSI back below 30. Now that would suggest that this recovery phase is now certainly over. You're now into more of at the best a sort of neutral outlook. But we could possibly turn bearish, I think, on a move below sort of, well, initial support 1200, but that 1190 support would be your big level that you'd be looking out for. So that is the level that we need to check on the charts today. We're seeing this sort of downside sort of momentum building, and you'd need to gather a rally back above that 1216 23.6% fib level. Otherwise, I think you're sort of back into this neutral outlook of between the 38.2% and 23.6% fib, and more of a sort of a consolidation phase. But it'll be interesting to see if the support around 1200 holds initially today, and exactly what happens there, because this market is slightly oversold on the hourly RSI, so that could well induce a bit of support. But again, you'd be looking out for sort of being able to recover back through that key fib level around 1216, which has been acting as a bit of a pivot level. Breakout found support around that level and then bang today, so that could now become a bit of a negative pivot level for you. So 1216 is an overhead resistance, I think, so you need to be breaking back above that pretty quickly, I think, to regain a bit of upside initiative. So a mixed outlook on gold, and as I said, if it follows silver by any means, it could well be going lower. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.